Have you ever played the 2 chord and felt like it was boring and bland? Well, one thing that we can do is replace the 2 with a 7 flat. It will wake up the music and not make your music sound so predictable. Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Guys, let's jump into the key of D flat. So when I say 2, I mean this is the 1. And we're going to our 2. That 2 is normally a minor chord. And right there on the 2, most times this is what you will see. You will see a E flat minor 7 chord, right? But instead of this chord, we're going to go to this chord. Same chord, but different bass. We're subbing our 2 with our 7 flat. Let's put this in a song, okay? Let's see if you remember this. Oh yeah, you remember that. I will bless thee, O Lord, right? So typically we would land right here, right? That's our 2. But instead of doing that, we're gonna go. I will bless thee, O Lord. Let me show you what I did. I know you want it. Let me show you what I did. So all I did was I just went from my 7 flat instead of the 2. And I'm playing my E flat minor 7 chord. I'm walking my way down to the 6 flat. And we're playing this nice chord here. This is our G7 flat 5 chord. Then we're going to our 5. And then so on and so on as normal. All right, let's do another song. Let's do Yes, Lord. You remember that? Yes, Lord. From the bottom of my heart to the depths of my soul. Yes, Lord. All right, we're getting to it right here. Completely, yes. So we're going to the 2. My soul says yes. Did you catch what I did? And instead of going to the 2, we went to our E flat minor 7, right there on the 7 flat. Now our next chord was this chord right here, the G7 flat 5 chord, what I taught you earlier. And we're on our 6 flat. Then I went to my 5. And we ended the song. So let me give you one more song to close out. In my life, Lord, be glorified. Be glorified. You remember that? Be glorified. In my life, Lord, be glorified. Right here. Be glorified today. All right, what did I do? So same thing, instead of going to my 2, I went to my 7 flat. But the next chord was a little different. But then right here, I'm going to my 6 flat as a follow-up chord. And I'm playing this chord right here. Going to my 5, and we're playing our G flat 6 chord. Resolving with our E flat dominant 7 chord on the 5. Ending on the 1. All right, guys, we're going to call that a lesson. I hope that this was a blessing for you. And if numerical melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. And remember, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.